A very good evening and heartily welcome to all on behalf of Department of Biotechnology, Kongunadu Arts and Science College for this webinar on NDLI User Awareness Program organized by Department of Biotechnology and NDLI Club KAC. First of all, I dedicate my welcome in absentia to our beloved President Dr. M. Arichami sir and to our beloved Secretary and Director Dr. C. A. Vasiki ma'am for their immense support and encouragement rendered in all our endeavors. I warmly welcome our dedicated and sincere Principal Dr. M. Lakshmanaswamy sir, enthusiastic Chief Executive Officer Unlimited Courses Dr. V. Chinuswamy sir, Dean R&D Dr. S. Paulswamy sir, and most supporting Dean Academics cum HOD PG Biotechnology Department Dr. S. R. Madan Shankar sir for their constant support and immense help rendered in all our programs. I cordially welcome our guest of honor, Dr. S. R. Madan Shankar sir, Dean Academics cum HOD PG Department of Biotechnology, who readily accepted our invitation in spite of his busy schedule. I welcome all the participants for their interest for this program. I warmly welcome the organizing secretaries, Dr. G. Anbarasi ma'am and Dr. B. Vishnupriya ma'am, assistant professors in biotechnology, other faculty members of our department, research scholars, students of UG and PG department. I welcome you all. It's my pleasure to introduce our resource person, Dr. S. R. Madan Shankar sir, who has appointed us Dean Academics cum Head PG Department of Biotechnology. He has about 20 years of academic and research experience. He was a proud alumni of our Kongunadu Arts and Science College, who secured university first rank and gold medal. He has done his postgraduate from Dr. G.R.D. College of Science with university rank. He has completed his PhD from Institute of Forest Genetics and Tree Breeding, Coimbatore. He has published 2 books, 20 research papers in international journals and 9 research papers in national journals with a cumulative impact factor of 6.5 and Scopus index of 4. He has also authored 2 books and 1 book chapter. He is the campus ambassador of United States India Education Foundation. He has coordinated several projects. He is a consultant for several quality initiatives at higher education institutions. He is a recipient of Fellow Award in Forest Biotechnology from Society of Biotechnology and has honored with prestigious PhD Teacher of the Year Award in 2016 and Best Senior Faculty of Biotechnology by Novel Research Academy, Pondicherry in 2019. He has visited Mauritius, Sri Lanka and Israel on official assignments. His current area of interest includes healthcare biotechnology, development of pesticides from allelochemicals from tree species. He is currently guiding 9 students of PhD. He is also the state convener of Environmental Education Panel of Shiksha Sanskriti Utan Nyas SSUN, Delhi. He is also the first batch of green educators recognized by Center of Science and Environment, Delhi. I am very much delighted to call upon Dr. S. R. Madan Shankar sir for this NDLI User Awareness Program. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Bhuvaneshwari. Thank you so much. இவ்வளோ ஒரு detailed presentation கொடுத்துட்டு I am not a resource person. First of all, I am a part of the department. So let's be quite informal. So this NDLI, National Digital Library of India, as you all know, we did a program on 28th of September 2020 for all the faculty of our college. That program was just to create an awareness about the usage of National Digital Library of India. So several faculty members participated in the program, and subsequently we got an opportunity to create a club which is called as the NDLI Club or National Digital Library of India Club from Kongunadu Arts and Science College. And this week on Thursday, the club was inaugurated formally. The club has members as core members, 1 faculty member from each department and one student representative from each of the class. So I hope even from our department, we will have 2 faculty members and 5 students as core team members of the NDLI club. So the purpose of this NDLA club is to initiate and execute activities pertaining to reading, activities pertaining to the usage of library, usage of books, etc. among the students. And this NDLI, National Digital Library of India, itself was started initially in the year 2016 under a mission called as National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, which is called NMEICT. So later on, it was formally inaugurated on 10th of November 2016 and hosted by the IIT Kharagpur. So the nodal center for this National Digital Library of India is IIT Kharagpur. The most important aspects what the library will be doing is that when you go to the library today, there are about 5 crores 25 lakhs 3,589 resources are available, and it spans about 35 million digital data content in the form of digital in the digital formats. And as of now, there are more than 20 to 25 lakh users who are using the library in a very different form, which means there are about 25 lakhs registered users who are present in the library, in the digital library. The most important salient features of this NDLI, National Digital Library of India, is that one is it provides a framework for virtual repository, which means anybody, including a student or including a faculty or anyone research scholar, if you have good quality teaching content, or if you have digital content in the form of videos or lectures or something, you can deposit your content in the digital library, so that this will remain as a repository. It will remain in the repository for usage by other people. So this is one of the most important aspects of digital library, where it is a repository of all digital contents that are available across the country as well as across the globe. The second one is that then all these virtual repositories and the learning materials or learning resources, they are all accessible with a single window search facility. For example, if you go to the digital library, if you see the home page, I'll just share the home page for you all.
Madan sir, shall I start presenting this slide, sir?
No, I'll just finish it. I'll share this page and then finish it. Then you can start.
Okay, sir.
Because they will understand. And the home page தெரியுதுல்ல இப்ப நான் present பண்றது.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah. So when you go to the home page, you have a search box over there. One library, all of India அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு column, ஒரு box இருக்கு. And the box you can choose your language. I hope you're seeing. You can choose your language. There are so many classical languages available: English, Hindi, Tamil. So many languages are there. And on the top also, you can see the different languages that are available, where you can type your requirement and you can search your content among this 5 crores 253 25 lakhs 3,589 resources. You can search. Now, the most important program this NDLI did during this corona pandemic is that they brought out a concept called corona outbreak study for school and study for college from home. So when you see the website, you can see a column called study from home. When you go into the study from home column, you have school material, CBSE exam preparatory material, engineering material, science, humanities, literature, and law and management. The most important thing is you don't require a computer for this. You can access it from your mobile phone. I will just click science content for you. When you click the science content, so much of drop menus are available. You have common subjects. Under common subjects, you have technology and engineering solutions, STEM, that is science and technology, engineering and mathematics. Then you have agriculture. In agriculture, you have books and video lectures. Now, what is most important to us is biology and biotechnology. When you see this biotechnology, all STEM, that is science, technology, mathematics, and engineering subjects, all these subjects, question answer solutions are available here. You also have video lecture, web course content, etc. here. Then lot of lectures from CEC. CEC is nothing but Consortia for Education Communication. So this Consortia for Education Communication has several lectures, video lectures, which are very interesting. I will just show you one example. Let's see. Say Introduction to Proteins. You click this Introduction to Proteins, you will have a video lecture. Can you see this?
No, sir, not clear.
No, sir.
You're not able to see the video, la?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, video may not play because it doesn't support here. So otherwise you're seeing the portal, right?
Yes, sir.
In my screen share. So if you click any of those subjects, you will have video lectures over there. So there will be plenty of video lectures over there. You can download them, you can study them. Then the next important thing in the homepage is you will have chemistry and biochemistry, environmental science, nanotechnology, and everything. That apart, when you come back to this homepage, you also have one thing called COVID-19 Research Repository. Now, this COVID-19 Research Repository has about 40,000 research articles related to COVID-19. So you can click any of them, say go to journals and conferences. You will have all these special issues which are upcoming issues. You will have each of them what is getting developed, like for example, a planetary health perspective on COVID-19. It will take you to that page. When you click there, it will take you to that journal. When you see here, it's the Lancet journal. It will take you to that particular page and you will get a full text of whatever articles are present with related to COVID-19. Similarly, you will also have, say for example, conference and meetings. If you click, you will have what are the latest conferences which are upcoming in the COVID-19 pandemic and all that you will get. Ideas and funding, if you click that, you will get lot of inputs about what are the funding options available to do research in the COVID-19 or whatever. That is seen here. Similarly, you have challenges and startups. So these are some of the materials that are available. See here, when you see here, the Action COVID-19 team sets up INR 100 crore grant to support innovative Indian startups. So like that, you will have lot of funding options which are available for startups, funding options for research. And when you come to scholarly articles, you will have publication. That's what I told you. About 40,000 material or 40,000 resources are available, which you can see. Other than that, you will also have blogs, you will also have index, and you will also have popular papers in this article. That apart, you will also every day, when you see this section of featured collections, you will see these things like birth centenary of Satyajit Ray. And on this day, if you click, you will get some important things about important personalities and their fields of interest. Then you will also have person of the week, topic of the week, and several talks and webinars as well, which are organized by the National Digital Library of India. So when you see this portal, it is actually a complete holistic portal which can provide you material for reading. Yeah, that's all. I don't want to focus it more. So that's all about that portal. So you will have materials pertaining to journals. There are also books which are available, which you can completely download and read. And other important thing is that you can filter the content in any regional language. Suppose you want to read something in your regional language, you can filter the contents. Second one is to it will actually, the most important thing, there are competitive examination material also that which are available. When you go to the study at home, you can see a lot of materials that are available for the cracking competitive exams. The other one is, even physically challenged students have special access to this material of the National Digital Library of India. So one of the most important taglines is transform libraries and transform societies. This is the most important buzzword which the National Digital Library is using. And the first thing that we have done is we have created a club. Our registration, we have got our registration on 15th of August 2020, and this registration is valid for a period of 1 year, that is 14th of August 2021. So our registration will be renewed, and we will be given an award based on the kind of activities that we do in terms of reading, in terms of material sharing, or in terms of awareness creation among the students. So unless we complete all these activities, and today this activity which we are doing now is called as the NDLI User Awareness Program. This is also one of the activities of the NDLI Club. Now, the second thing that we are doing is that each of you have given your name in the format that has been prescribed by your tutors, that is first name, last name, and your email address. So we will collect all this information, that is your name and email address, and we will give you and it will be sent to the NDLI for bulk registration, which will be done by the librarian. So once this bulk registration is done, each one of us will be having a complete username and password. When you see I have a separate username and password because I registered it long ago. So similarly, each of you can have a complete username and password. And this, you also have an NDLI app. You can download the NDLI app using the Play Store in your mobile phone, and you can access content of the NDLI library at any point of time. So the advantage is that you will always have a library in your palm top or in your Android phone, which will be easy for you to use for reading, even for collecting research articles, etc. So these are some of the features which I want to share with regard to the NDLI Club. And I request either Dr. Bhuvneshwari or Anbarasi to give you a little more insights into how you will be doing the registration or whatever. Now, if you have any queries to ask me, you can unmute and ask.
Participants can type their questions in chat box also, or unmute yourself and ask their queries.
Anbarasi, நீங்க அந்த ஸ்லைடு நீங்க பிரசன்ட் பண்ணலாம்.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Students, if you have any queries, you can ask by unmuting your mic, or you can type in the chat box. So good evening, students. If you don't have any queries, I am going to tell about what is the website for your National Digital Library of India, which is a Central Ministry of Education sponsored and funded project. Okay, this is a website where you can go through all the resources available in the library. Ma'am, can you please go next slide? So since its inception on 2006, As on January 2019, there are about 20 lakhs plus users are there, and it is having headquarters at Kharagpur and West Bengal. So this is a very user-friendly resources. As on 19/8/2020, they have 4 crores 95 lakhs 38,471 resources available, and as on 26/8/2020, there are about 5 lakh 5 crore 2 lakhs 53,589 resources available in the National Digital Library. So this is our certificate of our college received by the National Digital Library. And we can have individual registration also. If you want your family members or any students, they can easily register in this NDLI website. But we can, as we have this registration from NDLI, we can register in bulk also. That's why the students have been asked for first name, last name. Usually we put the initials. Instead of initials, we can put the expansion of initials and email ID, so that it can be done bulk registration. So this is the website. That's ndl.iitkgp.ac.in is the website for the National Digital Library, where we can access all the resources, and we can study at home itself. And we have, next slide, ma'am. So if you want to register individually means, we can click login, okay, which is present at the right top corner. Next slide, ma'am. So this is the very simplest steps where we can put your email ID as a login, and the password we can put. So this is for individual registration. We might, as we have registered earlier, we can have this individual registration. And for bulk registration, we have to have email ID, first name and last name. So most of the second PG and second UG, third UG students have completed. Only first UG students have to give these details, their email ID, first name and last name. So last name is the expansion of your initials. And as Dr. S.R. Madan Shankar sir said, there is a two type of search system. That is very simple search and advanced search. Next slide, ma'am. So we can browse what are all contents means about books, articles, videos, audios, and pieces has been browsed. And these are the resources available in each criteria. And other education materials also we can browse by content wise. And language wise, we have Tamil, English, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, French, and etc. And in English, there are about, and subject wise also we can browse. Okay, in subject wise also we can browse. So for example, if you want to search our subject means, we can search based upon the subject wise also. And source wise also, from which source, either it is from CSIR or Bangalore University, Bharat University, source wise also it is segregated. So we can access through source wise also. So this is August 26th is the Mother Teresa born day. So the topic of the week is volcanoes. Means they will give about volcanoes. What is volcanoes, like that. Next slide. So they will give details about the lecture series available. And for the bulk registration, I have already given. And we have to give lecture series available. We have to motivate the lecture series, and we have to motivate the students to have NDLA quiz. So we can conduct quiz sessions also. by the club members, so that we can enrich the knowledge through this club, through this National Digital Library Club. Next slide. So, NDLA Story Talk means we can tell some story through this resources. So, so that the students and the faculty members can join and participate in storytelling. So, if the students are interested in storytelling means, you can contact our faculty in charges so that we can organize programs like this. So, NDLA Go Fish is like a list of 10 to 20 topics from NDLA resources may be given to the group of participants to find out and share the list of each of the topics. So, this is very useful to enrich your individual knowledge on that particular topic. So, we can organize these programs. Then NDLA role play means from NDLA content, topics can be chosen and club members enact a role play based on the text. So this will enhance the individual capability of the members, and we can have an interactive session, and we can enrich our talents also through this NDLA role play. So NDLA Write On is we can have a writing competitions like essay writing or poem writing like that. Writing competitions we can have on the chosen NDLA topic resources, so that the participants can utilize that. And NDLA marker space is like a topic chosen from the NDLA resources can be given to the participants and encourage them to come up with their own models or solutions on the topic. So this is very innovative marker space NDLA technique, so that it will enhance your entrepreneur skills, startup skills, and prototype skills and proof of concept skills, so that you can choose one topic and have your models or solution to the problem. This is very innovative thing which the NDLA has taken. And you can be also a content partner with NDLA by sharing non-copyrighted open source digitized quality resources. That could be a faculty or student publication or presentation, class notes, video, lectures, or research papers, etc. So, if you concentrate on this, means your ideas can be viewed by many of the users. So, you can create some presentations or class notes or video lectures or research papers and can be shared in the
Your voice is not clear now.
That's all. So this is the NDLA portal registration for content access. So this is the YouTube link, and there will be a set of instructions how to use the NDLA portal. We can access this YouTube and get to know how to use the NDLA portal. And advanced search on NDLA portal also can be explained each and everything in this YouTube. We will share this YouTube link to you all, so that you can not only register, but you should use that information. That is more important, because in this digitalized thing, you should contribute something to the world by saying your views, and also you should know how to access these links shared by others also, which will create a innovative capacity in your thinking. Next slide, ma'am. So some of the useful links are e-resources, Enlist e-resources, and NDLA resources. A hands-on practical session has been compiled in this YouTube. And thank you all for your attention. You can download this NDLA app also, so that you can have your data resources in your hand itself. So if you have any doubts, you can contact us. Most of the students will be bulk registered. Second year UG, third year UG, and second PG will be bulk registered. And as yesterday our first UG students have joined, so they can also go for this bulk registration.
Bhuvneshwari,
So,
thank you. Bhuvneshwari, it was a
thank
nice
you. Thank you,
presentation.
sir.
Thank you. ஸோ
Okay, sir.
இதுல ஒரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட என்ன நான் சொல்ல விரும்புறேன்னா, இந்த வீடியோ ரிசோர்சஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, நம்ம வந்து we can give them an activity, Bhuvneshwari, to all our students.
Yes, sir.
சரிங்களா? இப்ப நமக்கு நிறைய சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் நம்ம ஹேண்டில் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் மாலிகுலர் பயாலஜி, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்
Yes, sir.
வந்து ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு லேர்னிங் ரெபாசிட்டரி மெட்டீரியல் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல if they have molecular biology paper transcription அப்படின்னா ஒரு 5 minutes or 10 minutes video, இந்த மாதிரி if we can make a video that can be compiled and that can be deposited in the NDLI as a learning objective repository, LOR போடலாம். So
Yes, sir.
students can come up with such ideas, because that also will be one of the activities which we perform under the NDLA club.
And we can give some prizes also, first prize, second prize, third prize also,
Yes, we
to
can also
motivate.
give that. Yes.
Mm.
If students வந்து I wanted to people to open their mouth and answer.
If
If you have any queries or if you have anything to ask, unmute and ask. But இவங்களுக்கு பல்க் ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் வந்து we will do. அவங்க இண்டிவிஜுவலா போய் போர்ட்டல்ல பண்ண வேண்டாம். அப்படிதானே புவனேஸ்வரி?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will do the
We will
bulk
be doing the
registration.
bulk registration for you, and we will give you the username and password.
So if you are interested in these activities, one of the members can unmute yourself and talk. And at the end of this session, or unmute your video also, so that we can take a snapshot also. So now one of the members can unmute your mic to answer this interactive session. Can you please, anyone? Because there are so many activities listed, so you please unmute yourself and tell your views and interest also, please. Request the club head. Club members.
நம்ம டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல யார் கிளப் ஹெட் from UG classes?
UG classes head இதே குமாரா?
UG and PG ல யாரு?
PG ல இலக்கியா, UG ல இதே குமார். Can you please unmute yourself and tell your views for 1 minute?
இல்ல அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் இருக்காங்களா முதல்ல?
இருக்காங்க சார்.
ஓகே.
இதே குமார். இருந்தாங்க, இப்போ பவர்ல போயிட்டாங்க.
ரெண்டு பேரும் இல்லையா
சார்? இருந்தாங்க சார், இப்போ ஏதோ நெட்வொர்க் ப்ராப்ளமாட்டா தெரியுது.
ஓகே சரி.
இலக்கியா
சார் வேற யாராச்சும்? இலக்கியா இருக்குல்லம்மா? இலக்கியா?
எஸ் மேம்.
சொல்லுமா, உன்னோட வியூ சொல்லுமா, என்ன பண்ணலாம் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொல்லுமா.
மேம் நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி அந்த வீடியோ பண்றது நல்லா இருக்கும் மேம்.
வேற ஏதாவது சொல்லுமா.
குட் ஐடியா.
அப்புறம் போஸ்டர்ஸ் மாதிரி பண்ண சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
என்னமா? போஸ்டர்ஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களோட வேற அந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ், இன்னோவேட்டிவ் மாடல்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணி.
மேம்
சொல்லுமா.
மேம் எல்லாரும் ஒரு காமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் படிச்சு அந்த காமன் ரிசோர்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு குவிஸ் மாதிரி நடத்தலாம் மேம். ஒரே மாதிரி ரிசோர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் படிச்சு அதுல இருந்து ஒரு குவிஸ் நடத்தலாம்.
பண்ணலாம்.
வெரி குட். அந்த மாதிரி பர்టిక్యులர் ரிசோர்சஸ் படிச்சுட்டு அது குவிஸ் நடத்தலாம். ஓகே, வெரி குட். அது வந்து நீங்க NDLA
introduce yourself and
introduce yourself ma.
Ma'am, I am Abhiram ma'am.
Which class?
First UG student sir.
First
UG biotechnology.
Very good. So good idea.
Thank you sir.
So Abhiram, you can take in charge for this. You can actually try to motivate people. You can form a team, சரியா?
Yes, sir.
And you form a team and you come out with such models or whatever you discussed and come out with something of that kind, okay?
Okay, sir.
So each one of us, if you take Bhuneshwari,
Yes, sir.
இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ்
So each classல ஒவ்வொரு யாரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆக்காங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு இன்சார்ஜ் கொடுக்கலாம் சார்.
அவங்க கிட்ட அது கொடுத்துட்டு let them start doing those activities.
So the activities can be taken head by the students itself so that they will have the leading capacity also.
Exactly, good. So முதல்ல I want every one of you to download the app, NDLI app in your mobile phone. அதை download பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. You will get your user registration very soon. Then you can start using the resource using your specific login and password.
So if you have any idea means students can share or faculty members also can share their idea how to go about in further. அன்பரசி மேம் ஏதாவது நீங்க சொல்லணும்னா சொல்லுங்க.
ஃபைனல் இயர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் பிஜி அவங்களாம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ உங்களோட ஃபீட்பேக் சொல்லுங்க. எல்டிஎல் நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி அக்சஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. ஸோ நீங்க எவ்வளவு பெனிஃபிட் ஆகுங்க அந்த மாதிரி ஷேர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா இருக்கும்.
மேம் விஷ்ணுபிரியா புவனேஸ்வரி மேம்.
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
குட் ஈவினிங்
சார். நான் வந்து ஒரு இது பார்த்தேன். என்டிஎல்ஐல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா செல்ஃப் பப்ளிகேஷனுக்குன்னு ஒரு போர்ட்டல் இருக்கு சார். அதுல நாம வந்து செல்ஃப் பப்ளிகேஷன் அது கூட நம்ம ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஐடியா மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி நம்ம ஒரு ரிவ்யூ மாதிரி பண்ணி அதை நம்ம செல்ஃப் பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணலாம் சார். ஒரு ஸ்பான்சர்ஷிப் கிடைக்கும்.
பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே, வெரி நைஸ் மேம்.
இதுக்கு நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா விஷ்ணுபிரியா,
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
விஷ்ணுபிரியா நீங்க from every class நம்ம இப்ப கேஸ் ஸ்டடிக்கு நம்ம பண்ணோம்ல, ஒரு டியூட்டர் ஒரு ஃபேக்கல்டி and a group of students அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க அதை பிரிச்சு ஒரு ஃபேக்கல்டிக்கு இதை அசைன் பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறம் நம்ம 8 பேர் இருக்கோம், 8 பேருக்கும் ஒரு டீம் வரும், 8 பேரும் பப்ளிஷ் பண்ண முடியும் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரிவ்யூ ஆர்டிகல்ஸ். அது நீங்க பண்ணுங்க, நீங்க எடுத்து பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார், கண்டிப்பா.
Vishnupriya can take charge of that.
Sure sir.
Okay
sir, the book I have published, I received it sir.
Very good.
sir,
நீங்க ஒரு காப்பி நம்ம டிபார்ட்மென்ட் லைப்ரரியில கொடுத்துருங்க.
கண்டிப்பா கொடுக்கிறேன் சார். sir actually 20 members have purchased my book sir.
Very nice
ma'am.
Good.
Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. I'll show you sir once I'll come to the college sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you sir.
So if you have any queries or ideas, students can share.
Bhuneshwari, actually
yes,
I am going to donate the books that I have in my home. நிறைய இருக்கு நான் படிச்ச பயோடெக்னாலஜி புக்ஸ். இப்போ நம்ம பிஜி லேப்ல ஒரு கபோர்ட வச்சிருக்கோம்.
ஆமாங்க சார்.
அந்த கபோர்ட்ல வந்து நான் அந்த புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நான் வந்து லோட் பண்ணிடுறேன் இந்த வாரத்துல.
சரிங்க சார்.
அப்புறம் எங்கிட்ட கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஹார்ட் டிரைவ் நிறைய இ-புக்ஸ் இருக்கு எங்கிட்ட.
ஓகே சார்.
அந்த இ-புக்ஸ் நான் மேடம் கிட்ட கேட்டுட்டேன். ஒரு லேப்டாப்ல ஒரு டெஸ்க்டாப்ல நம்ம லோட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So whichever students wants to take books or take e-books, they can come there and make an entry. சரிங்களா? இதுக்கு யாரோ ஒருத்தர் இன்சார்ஜ் எடுத்துக்கணும் பிஜில. ஐ திங்க் அன்பரசி கேன் டேக் சார்ஜ் ஆஃப் திஸ். சரிங்களா?
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகேங்களா? அந்த கபோர்டும் இதுவும் நீங்க மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிக்க. புக்ஸ் நான் கொண்டு வந்து கொடுத்துடுறேன். ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே சார்.
And Kalpana said she will also be donating some books from London, so we can make
sir, very nice
entries available for our students.
Okay sir, very nice.
Yeah, okay.
Students, if you have any idea means you can share and kindly fill this feedback form given in the Google Forms format. So kindly unmute your video for 1 minute so that we can take a snapshot. All of you unmute your video for 1 minute.
Munishwari ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Please present. Wait, ma'am. நான் slide present பண்ணிடுறேன். Then you will take a screenshot.
Okay. மேம் ஸ்லைட் கூட ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம், நம்ம இது பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் தானே மேம் எடுக்கிறோம். Okay, thank you. I now call upon Dr. B. Vishnupriya ma'am to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Very good evening to one and all present here. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this webinar series on NDLI User Awareness Program organized by PG and Research Department of Biotechnology and NDLI Club, Kongunadu Arts and Science College. I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable President, Dr. M. Archami Sir, and our beloved Secretary and Director, Dr. C. A. Vasuki Ma'am, for your immense support and encouragement rendered in the growth of the department. Thank you, ma'am. I am grateful to thank our Honorable Principal, Dr. M. Lakshman Swami Sir, our distinguished Chief Executive Officer, Dr. V. Chinnuswamy Sir, our respected Dean, R&D, Dr. S. Palsamy Sir, and our beloved HOD, Biotechnology PG and resource person of this today webinar series, Dr. S.R. Madan Shankar Sir and Dr. V. Bhuneshwari Ma'am, HOD, Biotechnology UG, for their moral support and guidance to organize this webinar series in this pandemic situation. Once again, I thank you all. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the session coordinators and all the participants for their active participation in this event. Once again, thank you all. Thank you,
Thank you, Vishnupriya. Thank you, Bhuneshwari. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Students, please fill the feedback link before leaving, okay? Okay.
Can you please stop the recording?